Hi, welcome back to Wine Mastery. We are going to taste a wine that we hope that we're going to enjoy. Well, I guess we hope we're going to enjoy all of them.
I think we should, yeah, I think we will.
But this one is a Rioja.
Oh, keep talking.
It's a white Rioja, and we're going to tell you all about it now. So this wine is called, well, let's just have a look at the label first. There we go, the bottle and the label. I'm going to go just for entertainment purposes. I'm going to try and, excuse me, looking to the left, to pronounce it. Los Hermanos Rioja Doc Bianco.
This might be my favourite part of the videos when you try to pronounce the actual names of the wine. But I don't think you're too wrong there, John. I think you're right.
And so we're going to go through the normal part of the video, but don't forget that we've just started adding the actual element. At the end of this video is a viewer's question, and the viewer's question this time is Robert Fisher. So if you're watching, Robert, it's your question at the end. Right, so before we move on, let's look at the price. So, $8.99.
That's not a bad price for you, John. I know. You almost touching it, but I can see it. I can sense it. But $8.99 is an all right price.
Yeah, it's all right. It is. It's not cheap, but it's not. It's in that just at the beginning of the medium.
Yes, and we can live with that.
It's a matter of having to. So, shall we begin with the colour?
Let us do that.
As always.
Yeah, let's.
Ooh.
Oh, that's really nice and golden, isn't it?
It is nice and golden.
But it is a white Rioja. Which is the Viura and Chardonnay. I believe Viura and Chardonnay.
Yeah.
It's usually just Viura, but the Chardonnay there. And again, Viura and Chardonnay for me are very similar anyway. I find, and I like them both. But yeah, it's a bright gold colour.
It is.
I'm liking it.
Yeah, I like it. Nice and vibrant.
Yes, it makes it look attractive, doesn't it?
It does.
But then you expect something from that as well, don't you? When you see there's a richness and a depth of colour, you expect something from the nose or the flavour from that.
Yeah. And interestingly, on the bottle, they tell you to serve this cold, not chilled.
Not chilled.
Not chilled.
What's
cold.
Yeah, but what's the difference?
5 degrees.
Okay, fair.
No, cold is like I'm saying. I would interpret that as being cold is like 3-4 degrees, and chilled is sort of more like 8-9 degrees.
Proper right into okay.
Yeah.
It's strange how they'd word that, isn't it? But
yeah.
Cold.
Well,
let's have a go on the nose.
Okay, let's go on the nose. Well, that's nice.
It is. It's very
It's got a little bit of one of your sweeties in there.
Yeah, for me it's pear. The pear.
Pear drops or pear?
The pear. Not quite. No, maybe it is. It is the pear drops. Is that what you think a pear should smell like?
Yeah.
Kind of thing.
Yeah. So like a ripe pear.
Yeah.
One that when you put the knife through it, the knife almost falls through without you needing to. Yeah.
Yeah, that juicy. And ones that you can get really messy with when you.
Slobber chops.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, I haven't had one of those for a long time. Yeah, that does. It reminds me of being a kid. Anyways, I'll go on the old. But yeah, because I'm not getting much more from that. But is that because the pear has got my attention?
I think so. I don't know. I get just no, I don't know. No, I'm not getting anything else. I think I'm imagining that.
No,
it's a very nice smell. I mean, you think, oh, this is going to be nice. This is going to be nice.
I'm almost smelling the core of a pear as well. I'm trying to pick out bits from there. I'm thinking is that the pear. I'd be like almost. No, I'll stop right there because I'm getting excited. I'm not getting a wild pear.
Wild
one
pear?
that you would pick off the tree and the.
Yeah, but it's probably still owned by someone. So.
Probably. Right, let's have a little go on the old...
You being wild and nicking them.
Well, I don't know. Let's, maybe a flavour. Let's have a look on there. Okay. That's nice.
Nice and light. Nice little bit of acidity, but when I say a little bit, literally a little bit of acidity, it's not a lot there. Moves away and it's very refreshing. isn't it? Maybe it's another reason they're saying cold. Obviously from Spain, this is like supposed to be a really refreshing drink, maybe midday or whatever with lunch. So it's,
I could see that.
Yeah.
I could definitely see that. That is, like you say, it's refreshing. It's not overly complicated.
No.
But I'm not saying that in a bad way because I'm not holding that against it. In fact, quite the opposite. I'm enjoying that as an uncomplicated but delicious, lush bit of wine. Nice mouthfeel. There's not much in the way of length, but you know what? I don't care.
No,
I'm not bothered by it.
I mean, the length isn't ridiculous. I can still taste it a little bit, but it's sort of like it's. Well, I was going to say mouthwash, but that sounds horrible. I mean, clears and leaves your mouth feeling sort of fresh and.
Yeah, and like you said, the acidity is not too harsh, not too in your face. One.
No.
Yeah. It's
Is that?
And the pear is coming through as well. I'm getting that pear.
It's not what I was really. It's very similar to, but not quite what I was expecting for a white Rioja.
Well, I think it is blended with the Chardonnay as well, isn't it? So you've got your Viura, which is the white Rioja, and then with the Chardonnay as well.
Are those little blue tablets they put in?
It's definitely not that, John.
Oh.
Thank goodness. No. Viura, it's a grape from Spain. Crikey. But yeah, blend with the Chardonnay. That I don't think I've ever tasted a blend of Viura and Chardonnay together.
Right.
And you know what? That works.
It does work.
It's working really well for me.
Yeah.
You know, I've always liked Rioja of all. The Tempranillo, an ordinary red Rioja, and white Rioja I've liked. But this is I'm actually really, really, really enjoying it, and it's not $8.99. And it's not something that's I know just let that sink in. But it's not something that I'm gonna be like wowing about, or something that's really taking my taste buds and saying, "Here, have that." It's simple is the wrong word. But it's still a word to describe it. It's a simple wine, but a very delicious wine.
And I think it's time and place, isn't it? You know, there's a time when your mood's going to want this. And it's again, I think a very sort of social wine. I mean, actually, I could still enjoy this, just drinking it on my own and in the garden. If I had a book and having this, it'd be really, really nice.
Oh, I think definitely.
Or on the beach, whatever. That'd be really nice.
And very, very, very. And it's touching all parts of my taste buds as well. Again, it's not overly complex and not got a lot there, but it's managing to tick boxes as we go along.
I was just wondering, 12%.
12%, yeah.
12.5%. So not too heavy again for a sort of hot summer's day. But you could drink this in the winter as well. Nice by nice hot fire, it'd be delicious.
I could live with that.
Oh, so could I. Really nice. Really like that. Really like that.
Okay, let's go on to what is pairings. I didn't even thought about pairings.
Do you want me to?
Yeah, if you could. I didn't think.
Yeah, no, that's okay. I would again. This would be sort of nice with a nice simple fish dish, maybe cod in baked in salt, or just sort of grilled cod. Maybe even I'm just thinking I was thinking about sardines then, sort of fresh grilled sardines.
Yeah.
Maybe it would just be on the edge of whether that would be too strong. The sardines would be too strong.
I think it would take it on.
Yeah, you think it'd take it on?
Yeah.
So that's why I go. Or you could have a chicken salad or whatever. But yeah, or you can just drink it on its own.
You can, and I'm thinking cheese-wise, and I'm only thinking this because I had some earlier, a very ripe Camembert. Just with if you want it, you need a bit of crusty bread or the cracker. But again, but a Camembert that is not young, not subtle. I want one that's in your face. And I reckon that would just beautifully take that.
Yeah, I think that'd be lovely, yeah. They would go lovely together. Excellent. Good.
Scoring.
So that moves us on to scoring, yes.
Yeah, okay. Right, put this down for that.
It is $8.99, so a bit expensive.
Okay, it is $8.99, very expensive. All told in that, that tickles my fancy, so I'm going to have to put that in there in my score. So I'm going to run this to a flat. There we go.
I'm guessing when you said flat, you said 80.
You are spot on with what I just said. What was your score?
Mine was 84.
Oh, good. Oh, excellent.
Yeah, well, I thought 84 because I think that whilst it's not, as you say, it's not sophisticated. It's just I just think for one of those hot days, or when you're in the mood for that, it's just hits the spot.
Yeah, and you are spot on with that. I reckon if like you say, if you're in the mood for it, which I I'm already, but yeah, that would really kind of do the job it needed to. I think I went for 80 just so not to over egg is all I
Yeah. No, I was there thinking, well, is that too high because it's not as sophisticated? But then I thought, no, actually, because of the enjoyment from it, I'm going to give it that.
Well, that's part of it, John. That's a brilliant thing. It doesn't have to be overly sophisticated, does it? If you enjoy it, you enjoy it, and that's
as
simple.
we always say, definition of a good bottle of wine is you like it. Mm-hmm. Okay, good. Right, so let's move on. We'll do the flip and we will move to the viewer's question. So the question is from Robert Fisher, and he says that he hopes this isn't too simplistic a question.
Okay, well, there's no such thing.
But why do you have to chill white wine?
Well, you don't have to. You don't have to particularly chill white wine. Sometimes we can chill red wines as well. But when it's one of those things that you also automatically associate white wine with the summertime and red wines with the autumnal and winter time. So it's a natural thing to do. But there is a trick in the wine world as well. And I'm not saying this of every wine, but if you've got white wine that doesn't taste very good, chill it all the way down, it kills all the flavours. And then when we taste white wines, I do like mine to. I would have put mine in the fridge and then brought it out for half an hour. That I find that's the perfect temperature for a white wine. So you aren't pulling those nice flavours from there because over chilling it will kill a lot of your flavour. But you don't have to particularly chill a white wine at all.
I think some white wines, though, if they're sort of room temperature, if you chill them down, they taste nice. They go to room temperature, they can taste a little bit flabby.
Yeah, well, again, it would depend on the wine, the weightiness of the wine. Each individual wine does taste different, obviously under different temperatures. But then that comes down to a personal thing.
Yeah, also, I think the thing is that in terms of temperature for wines, as I understand it, what you should actually do is on white wine, you should have it in the fridge for a few hours, bring it out, as you say, half an hour before you're going to use it, yeah? And with red wine, put it in the fridge for half an hour before you're going to use it.
Oh.
Because although red wine's supposed to be, if you look at the temperatures red wine's supposed to be served at, we say room temperature. Quite often room temperature is 23, 24 degrees people have there, so they think that's the temperature it's going to be. Mm-hmm. But actually, in olden days, which is where that sort of originates, it was much, much less. It was probably 15, 16, 17, 18 degrees. So actually, sometimes you can the wine can be too warm, red wine.
Yeah. You were absolutely spot on with that. The room temperature back in the day, what was room temperature then is very different to what room temperature is now.
Yeah.
But yeah, John, have you been researching? Or are you? Every episode he shocks me with a new bit of wine knowledge, which I'm very pleased about.
We're always learning. We're always learning. Every day's a school day.
It is indeed.
Excellent. Well, Robert, I hope that answers your question, and thanks very much for sending the question in. Well, guys, that about rounds up this episode. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you liked it, give us the thumbs up. Don't forget to go the old ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-loon, and that will let you know every time we publish a video, which is every Saturday. So until the next time, guys, you haven't got any wine left to say chin chin to.
I haven't, because I really enjoyed that one.
Well, chin chin, guys.
But chin chin.